Welcome back, viewers. As we inserted the customer information into this table, customers, we need to make some changes to this page as well, because we need to actually look after the customer registered with us, so we can check whether he or she has a product added into the cart or not. If they have not added any cart, so we can redirect them to their account page. And if they have a product, so that's mean they are coming to this registration form using the go to cart page. So from there they are coming to this form and registering. So at that time we need to directly send them to the payment page, payment .php, which we already have given in the in this checkout page. You can see over here, can show you this payment.php. so we need to first of all create that page. We'll create a new page using Control N or using file menu. So here we need to actually insert some simple things, a div tag, and close it, and we'll find an image on the internet, PayPal, pay with PayPal. So we can just put this image right now, because later on we can, when we will upload this whole project to online web server, so we can then use the real PayPal button in place of this simple image. Now we can simply use this one, this image, or any the PayPal image, very simple one. PayPal. Okay, this one is okay. This is a bigger image, but no problem. We'll just save it. This is PNG image. I will save it directly into that folder which we have for this project inside the XAMPP, htdocs, and ecommerce. We'll save it simply with paypal.png. That's it. Now we'll come back, and inside this page we will simply use some a paragraph tag, and we'll style it with text align center. That's it. And inside the paragraph tag we will use img tag. Source will be paypal.png, that image which we have right now downloaded from the internet, and its width will be something like 200 pixel, and height will be 150 or 100 pixel or 150 pixel, and paragraph close, and we will save it payment.php. That's it. We can simply write something also here, pay now with PayPal. Control S to save. Align is equal to center. So we have created basically this page. This is now here. We'll come back to customer_register.php, and here we will remove this if condition. We will simply run a query again. We will say select SEL_cart, and inside the double quotes we will write a query, select all from cart where IP_address is equal to this IP address. this person IP address. That's it. After that we will run this query. Run underscore cart is equal to MySQLi query and connection, and then my god, select cart. That's it. Now we will say check cart, and we will use MySQLi num underscore rows to check whether it has an item or not. Run underscore cart. We are now checking, and we will use now if statement. If check cart is equal to 0, I mean there is no order, the person has come from anywhere else, because we are working later on other section as well, so there will be buttons like login or login buttons and registration buttons, so that does not mean the customer is directly coming from the order page, I mean from the cart page. So we need to check that as well. So if check cart is equal to, we are giving double equals, because whenever we compare something, so we add double equals, because single equal means assigning a value to a variable, but comparing a value to a variable means double equal. So in here we will simply echo, and we will say in a JavaScript alert double parenthesis alert double parenthesis, inside single quotes we will write registration successful, account has been created successfully, thanks. That's it. And we will also redirect this person using another JavaScript redirect. We'll redirect this person to their account in case the cart is equal to 0. There is no item or no product in the cart. So in that case we will simply use, first we will give him an alert, and after that we will say windows.open and send this person to customer /my_account.php, which we have not yet created, but we will create it later on, and the window will be a self window _self. So this is the first thing, but also at this point we will register the session for this person. We'll use $_session, and session we have already declared many times, but this time we are giving the same value, customer_email, and which will be equal to this coming person, which is here, I mean this email, C_email. So C_email. We have registered the session as well inside this first if statement, whether the product is 0 inside the cart or not, but the session has been registered and these echo statements are executed. Now in the else statement we will very simply say the same thing, just copy this whole to echo including the session. In the else condition we are also going to create the session for this person, and we will very simply change this URL, this one, we'll change this page to checkout.php, and the rest of the things are okay. So in else statement, if there is no if products are 1 or 2 or whatsoever, but more than 0, that's mean the person has product. So we need to again redirect that person to the checkout page, checkout.php. This is because that person has come and has created an account, and now we need to send him her back to their checkout page so they can order the product, because they are coming from the order page. And if they have clicked any other button, I mean login or register or something like that, so they can go directly to their account. This is very simple scenario, I think, here. So in this case, now in the checkout page we have already said that if the session is activated or active, so we have said that send this person to payment page, include the payment page. We have done that here in the checkout page. You can see if session is not set, then customer login, and if it is set, then payment.php. That's easy. And here we have also registered the session, but we need to actually start the session in the start of the page as well. Here session_start, because wherever we want to register a session, the session must be registered there or activated there. The same thing we need to look at the checkout page. Yes, there is no session, so we need to start session here as well. That's it. Control S to save. Now we'll simply go and we will say go to cart, person has an order, 6 quantity, and this is the price, and he has said checkout. Now he has an email and password. He can register from here, but we have not worked on this. In next video we will work on this login form, but here we can just say a new registration. We will remove this user that we have already inside the table. We'll delete this, and we are now going to create another one. Just click this. We'll say okay, Abdul Wali, customer email is this, and password will be this simple one, and image will be this one, country will be United States, and city will be New York, contact is something like that, and the address is this one. Create an account. So account has been created successfully, thanks. This is the JavaScript alert. When we click OK, so it will take us to the payment page. You can see now. OK, so they have taken us to the payment page. You can see our checkout, and checkout has the payment. Basically we have said in the checkout, in this checkout page we have said that if there is, here you can see, we have said if session is not activated, then include the login page, else include the payment.php, and payment.php is already created and included here. You can see we created in this page. Can just say 100, can reduce the height of the image to 100 pixel and refresh. So you can see this is the PayPal. And real environment, when we will upload this whole project to online web server, that time we will replace this picture with with the PayPal button, with real PayPal button. So in next video we will come and work or the login form, basically, because we started this whole thing for login. So stay tuned.